Dear students, welcome to next session of SOEM program on IT applications in libraries. Today we are going to explore what is data visualization, its various techniques and tools. That means today's topic is data visualization techniques and tools. The agenda of today's presentation includes what is data visualization, types of data, importance and advantage of data visualization, various types of data visualization techniques, and data visualization tools. So now we are going to discuss what is data visualization. The quote of Stephen Few, quote, "Numbers have an important story to tell. They rely on you to give them a clear and convincing voice." This is the words of Stephen Few. It is indicating the importance of data visualization. Data visualization is a powerful tool for transforming complex data sets into meaningful insights through geographical representation. By leveraging visual elements such as charts, graphs, and maps, it facilitates the comprehension of patterns, trends, and relationships that might otherwise remain hidden in raw data. This approach enhances decision making power by presenting information in a clear and intuitive format, making it accessible to diverse audiences. The importance of data visualization lies in its ability to simplify complexity, enabling users to identify key insights quickly and effectively. In today's data driven world, organizations rely on visualization to communicate findings, highlight correlations, and make informed decisions. For instance, businesses use dashboards to monitor real time metrics, while researchers employ scatter plots and heat maps to uncover trend in scientific data. So we having different methods and techniques for data visualization. Now let us discuss about what are different types of data. Numerical data consists of values that are numbers and can be measured and counted. These values represent quantities and are used for mathematical calculations. It is typically divided into two main types. One is continuous data, and the second one is a discrete data. The categorical data represents values that describe categories or groups and cannot be measured numerically. Instead of numbers, it consists of labels or names, often used to classify or organize data into distinct groups. Categorical data can be divided into three main types: binary data, nominal data, and ordinal data. Okay, the picture, it is very clear from the picture. Here you will find the data visualization. There is a numerical data visualization and categorical of data visualization. Numerical data will find the continuous data and discrete data, and the data visualization will find the binary data, nominal data, and ordinary data. Now let us discuss about what is the importance of data visualization. Now let us discuss about the importance of data visualization. Data visualization is very crucial because it transforms complex data into graphical representations, making it easier to understand, interpret, and communicate. It highlights patterns, trends, and outliers that may be missed in raw data. By simplifying data analysis, it supports informed decision making, enhances storytelling, and fosters better communication across technical and non technical audiences. Effective visualization drives insights and actionable outcomes, essential in research, business, and technology. Now, let us look what are different advantages of data visualization. Data visualization will enhance the understandings. It will help for the quick decision making, and obviously, visualization will give a better communication, and it will try to highlight the patterns, relationships, and outliers very effectively. And the visuals are more memorable than the text or raw data, aiding recall and understanding. So we will have more improved retention if you have a data visualization method. And it will also give a effective reporting. It will enhance the impact of reports and presentations by making them visually engaging. And it will be very much helpful to spot inconsistencies or any anomalies in the data. The important visualization techniques are histogram, box plots, scatter plots, heat map, bubble chart, bar chart, distribution plot, pair plot, line graph, pile chart, duftnet chart, area chart, sunburst chart, radar chart, network visualization, density visualization. These are the major visualization techniques. Let us discuss some of them out of these various techniques. For example, the commonly used one is histogram. A histogram is a graphical representation that organizes a group of data points into user-specified ranges. It visually shows the distribution of a data set by displaying the frequency of data points that fall within each bin. Histograms are very much useful for understanding the distribution, center tendency, and the variability of data. You'll find the example of an histogram in the slide. Next one is a box plot. It is also known as box and whisker plot. It's a standardized way of displaying the distribution of data based on a 5-number summary. That is the minimum, first quartile, medium, third quartile, and maximum. It helps to visualize the spread and the skewness of the data, identify the outliers, and compare distributions across different data sets. Next one is scatter plots. A scatter plot is a type of data visualization that displays values for two variables as points on two-dimensional graph. Each point represents an observation with one variable plotted along the x-axis and the other along the y-axis. Scatter plots are very much useful for identifying relationships, trends, and the pattern between the variables. You will find the picture of scatter plots. A heat map is a data visualization technique that uses color to represent the magnitude of values in a two-dimensional matrix or data table. The colors in a heat map make it easier to identify patterns, correlations, or anomalies in large data sets. Bubble chart. A bubble chart is a data visualization that displays 3 dimensions of data in two-dimensional plot. It is similar to a scattered plot, but in addition to the x-axis and y-axis, it uses the size of each bubble to represent a third variable, allowing for the analysis of relationships between 3 different metrics simultaneously. You'll find the bubble chart in the picture. Bar chart. A bar chart is a graphical representation of data using rectangular bars to show the magnitude or frequency of different categories. The length or height of each bar corresponds to the value of the category it represents. The picture of bar chart is available here. The bar charts are typically used to compare discrete or categorical data. Distribution plot. A distribution plot is also known as distribution graph or probability distribution plot. It is a graphical representation that shows the distribution of data sets. It helps to visualize how data points are spread or clustered around certain values. Distribution plots are used to display the underlying probability distribution of a dataset, providing insights into its shape, spread, central tendency, and potential outlier. Another important technique is pair plot. A pair plot is also known as scatter plot matrix. Is a grid of scatter plots that shows the relationship between multiple variables in a dataset. You will find a pair plot in the picture. Next one is line graph. A line graph or line chart is a type of data visualization that uses lines to represent trends over time and continuous data. It connects individual data points with a line to show how a variable changes, making it useful for observing patterns, trends, and fluctuations over a period. Now, pie chart, it is all of you are familiar with that pie chart. A pie chart is a circular statistical graphic divided into slices to represent numerical proportions. Each slice corresponds to a category and its size is proportional to the percentage or count of that category within the whole. Pie charts are typically used to show the parts of a whole and most effective when there are limited categories. Another, another interesting technique is definite chart. A definite chart is a variation of a pie chart with a hole in the center, creating a ring-like structure. It is used to display proportions or percentages of a whole with each segment representing the category. The main difference between a definite chart and the pie chart is the central hole, which can be used to add a label or additional information. Similarly, we are having another technique that is area chart. An area chart is a type of chart that displays quantitative data by filing the area before a line with a color or shading. A sunburst chart is a typical hierarchical data visualization. It displays data in a radial format with the levels of hierarchy represented by concentric circles. Radar chart. A radar chart is also known as spider chart or web chart. It is a graphical method of displaying multivariate data. You will find the radar chart in the picture. The data values are plotted on this axis and connected to form a polygon, giving the appearance of a spider web. Next one, we can discuss about the visualization which is being used for network visualization. Network visualization is a technique used to display relationships and connections between entities using a graph structure. Network visualization consists of nodes, also called points, and edges, also called lines, that represent entities and their relationships respectively. Examples: social networks, Facebook, Friends, LinkedIn, citation networks, web structure, that means hyperlink between websites. These are the examples of network visualization. Density visualization represents the concentration or distribution of data points within a specific area or space. It often uses colors or shading to indicate areas of how low density is there. Examples: heat map showing population density, density plots visualizing the distribution of numerical data. Dear learners, now let us discuss what are different visualization tools. Among visualization tools, one is a Tableau. It is a powerful business intelligence tool for creating interactive and shareable dashboards. Drag and drop interface, real-time data analysis and integration with various data sources. It can be also used for business analytics, reporting and data boards. The next one is Power BI. A Microsoft tool for data visualization and business intelligence, seamless integration with Microsoft Office, AI-powered analytics, and real-time reporting. And this enterprise reporting and interactive dashboards. You will find the homepage of Power BI here. Excel you might have used in one way or other way. Excel is a widely used spreadsheet software with built-in charting tools. Easy to use for creating basic charts and graphs, data analysis, reporting, and quick visualization. This Excel being used. The next tool is matplotlib. That's a Python library. It's a Python library for static, animated, and interactive plots. It is a versatile for creating 2D plots and graphs. It is being used for data analysis and research visualization. So the visualization techniques and tools play a critical role in data analysis, enabling users to uncover patterns, trends, and insights that might otherwise remain hidden. Effective visualization techniques transform raw data into compelling narratives, facilitating better decision making and enhanced communication. The traditional charts like bar, graphs, line plots to advanced tools for interactive and multidimensional visualization, the array of options available empowers users to address diverse analytical needs. Modern tools such as Tableau, Power BI, Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn provide flexibility and scalability, accommodating a wide spectrum of application across industries and various organizations. So this is the end of today's session. We will be meeting tomorrow with another topic. Thank you very much.